भारत सलाम.
Hello, Namaskar everyone. This is Richa with Stellar Media and Promotions in collaboration with Outland Media, and I'm here with the man of the hour, Chairman FIA, Sunil Shahji. Sunil Shahji, congratulations on the 16th year for FIA, and we are celebrating Republic Day. Please share your thoughts with us.
Thank you, Richa. Stellar Media, our FIA Executive Vice President. Yes, it's a momentous day for us, celebrating our country's 76th Republic Day. It's feeling so. We take a great pride in celebrating this auspicious event. More especially, this event is going to be for a great cause. We are going to give scholarship to about 5 students, $1,000 each, and also it's going to be an entertaining event. We're having a phenomenal, very versatile ghazal singer, Mr. Chet, Quincy Chet, along with our FIA director, Payal Ganguly. She's also one of the very versatile singer. And right now, if you can see, it's a full house today. We're expecting more than 450 people. I think first time, we are sold out during the Republic Day. More is in the winter time. It's quite tough. People, majority of are in India. But looking forward to this great event, Richa.
Congratulations, Sunilji. You've been taking our FIA to newer and higher heights every year, greater heights, and we're just loving the buzz. January is a cold winter month, but with FIA's warm spirit and this beautiful event, we've warmed up the temperatures in Chicago. Thank you so much for talking to us.
तो हम यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, FIA मना रहा है 76 रिपब्लिक डे. तो आप ये बताएं, ये हमें हर साल बढ़ता जा रहा है, तो व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट, एंड वी ऑल आर एक्साइटेड टू लिसन फ्रॉम यू.
Thank you, Anu. And firstly, would like to appreciate the hard work and dedication of Outland Media. You guys are doing a fantastic job and promoting our event. Today superly excited to be here at Ashiana Banquet celebrating our country's 76th Republic Day. And today, as you can see, there are a lot many people already has arrived, and lot more to come. And everybody is so much passionate about the celebration, which is going to be the start in an hour or so. We've been seeing the increase in membership, that's growing every year. It's because of the, I would say, the events what we've been doing. If you look, just last couple of months, we did a toy drive followed by a coat and blanket drive. And then today we are going to do scholarship drive during the celebration. We are going to give about $1,000 to about 5 students today. And next event is going to be medical drive, which we are going to do with Indian Medical Association somewhere in April. So if you look at what FI is doing, FI is doing the giving, and that's something what we believe in giving, and we believe in giving to the community. So today we also have a great ghazal singer today, along with Quincy Chet, with one of our FIA director, Payal Ganguly, and they are going to perform some amazing and captivating ghazals, and that's going to be the highlight of today's event.
Good evening. We are celebrating our Republic Day celebration at Ashiana, and with me is our Honorable Consul General Somnath Ghosh ji. So Somnath ji, welcome to our mega celebration. We are honored to have you here. I would like to ask you, what message would you like to give to our community on this auspicious celebration of India's Republic Day, when we are honoring the spirit of India?
First of all, congratulations to FIA, to all the members. I can see already a very festive mood here. Children are dancing. The elder are they are having a good party and mingling outside. It should be, because the Republic Day for India is possibly, in my opinion, the greatest, the biggest festival, most important day in our national life, because this day marks the beginning, the adoption of our constitution, which is at the core, which is the binding force, which is at the base of our largest democracy on earth. Such a diverse country, more than 1.4 billion people, so many languages, so many ethnicities, religion. There are so many ways that we live, we eat, we speak, but still at the core of it, there is democracy, there is an inclusive spirit, there is an identity of India. I specially congratulate our Indian American brothers and sisters. They are sons and daughters of India, but they also belong to another great democracy on earth. And this is a day also for me to call upon all of you, to each of you, to contribute your bit, your own way to the uh, partnership and all the good work that the two democracies are doing together. So thank you for the invite, and I wish that FIA grows strength to strength from here, as I have been seeing for the last 2 years.
Thank you, Consul General Somnath ji, for what a profound message. And it is truly an honor as we see that FIA is uniting people and organizations, and then also our ambassadors. So we are truly privileged to have you, and festivities are about to begin. And it is, I must say that your presence has added so much grace and beauty to our occasion. So thank you so much for coming. Namaste.
हो भारत तुझे सलाम.
And I'm here with Kevin Morrison of Cook County. He's serving as Cook County Commissioner right now, and always there to support us. Kevin, so nice to have you. Any words and messages for Team FIA?
Yeah, I would just say I love attending FIA events. I represent the 15th district on the Cook County Board. That's the northwest suburbs, which encompasses Schaumburg. And we have a huge South Asian presence within my district. So any way I could support the community, I'm always happy to lay out my hand and be available.
What do you think about Indo-American community as a, as one of the as one of the, members in our society?
Well, for one, some of our most impressive entrepreneurs come from the South Asian community. It also is my favorite food. Indian food's my favorite. I make sure that when I'm out at restaurants, I order everything Indian spicy because they tend to give it to me mild, even when I say hot. But it was one of the most unique cultures. It is such a important presence within Cook County, and I'm really grateful to be always so welcomed.
I've seen you enjoying some Indian food before, and I knew about your liking for Indian dishes. So what is the employment, and what do you think? This is 2025. We are just starting off, and any thoughts for the community as a whole?
Well, I first and foremost wish everyone a happy new year. There's a lot of changes that are going on, but I'm very proud that the county has oriented ourselves as a beacon to support our small businesses, our entrepreneurs. I helped us create a one-stop shop for small business services. It's the Cook County Source. We have a website, free services to help all aspiring entrepreneurs or current entrepreneurs and seeing them grow and do better. So any way that the county can step forward and help our families do better, that's our goal and our mission.
Thank you so much, Kevin, for talking to us. I have with me Mr. Paul Young, who is a councilman from the city of Naperville. Welcome to FIA Chicago Republic Day celebration. How are you today? And please share your message with us, please.
My name is Paul Young, and I'm with the City Council of Naperville. On behalf of the City of Naperville, Happy Republic Day to all, and on behalf of the Chinese American community, Happy Lunar New Year as well.
Thank you so much. So is this the first time you've attended India's Republic Day?
It is, but it was a wonderful event, and I'm so pleased to be a part of the celebration.
Thank you so much. Any thoughts from you, ma'am?
Happy Republic Day, and thank you for inviting us. It's a great program.
This is Richa with Stellar Media and Promotions in collaboration with Outland Media, talking to Mr. Paul Young and Miss Arista from the city of Naperville. And Happy Republic Day to our beautiful country, India, and go Team FIA. Republic Day.
So all of us at Oro Camp really wish the FIA community a tremendous celebration for Republic Day in 2025. And looking at considering the crowds, it's really amazing that Anu Malhotra, Sunil Shah, Vinita, and all of you in the team, including Richa, you guys have done a tremendous job planning. I wish you all the best, ladies and gentlemen, and keep going, keep up the momentum, keep up the good work for all of us. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you, Dr. Asha Oroskar, for the wonderful message. And Dr. Asha Oroskar and Dr. Anil Oroskar have been a wonderful, great support system for Team FIA. Thank you so much for your generous love and support.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
My name is Harry Sidhu and I'm with Outland Media and Stellar Media. Today we are at FIA's 76th Republic Day celebration and we have the Executive Vice President Richa Chand with us. Richa, what a great function this is. There's so many people here from probably all 28 states of India. And, for having a function this big, and having people from all different communities, including American communities, come here, it must have taken a lot of effort. And you are a big part of this. What do you have to say about this?
Thank you for the wonderful introduction, Harry. And yes, this is 76th Republic Day celebrations for India, and this is the 16th year for FIA, and I'm proud to be a member of FIA since 2017, 2018, and it's been a great journey so far. Starting with our members, which has increased manifold, and credit goes to a lot of our friends like Harry, and many, many more who have given good recommendations to our friends to join our team. So we are a growing team of 300 plus members, and this is just the start of 2025. I wish a beautiful, fantastic year to all who are listening to this clip. And for FIA, I say go FIA, go Team FIA. We love you.
And if you don't mind me asking, the artists and the whole planning, there has to be so much put behind organizing a function of this magnitude. If you turn the camera around, just show them how many people are there in that room. And now you can, Richa, on the other hand, let's discuss the fact that how can a program like this, of this magnitude, with so many people, be created by just a few people at the organizing committee?
I know it's actually a very good concerted team effort. And today we have special singers Quincy Chet and our own homegrown talent Payal Roy Gongulu is part of FIA also, and she's a wonderful singer as well. And we have a scholarship program. We are honoring the excellence in academics and students who need an extra little helping hand. We want to give them $1,000 each.
We have the congressman, the ambassador or consul general of India, who's in Chicago.
Yes,
Right?
we have
They
a
are
lot of
speakers.
we have lot of dignitaries here, including Somnath Ghosh, Honorable Somnath Ghosh ji, who is CG Chicago, India, and we are so proud that our team FIA is honoring a lot of leaders and students and everybody in the community, and most of all, the spirit of India. Thank you. Happy Republic Day to all. I have with me Mrs. Meghna Bansal, who is running for Naperville City Council, and she has been an ardent supporter of Team FIA and is always a big part of our FIA events. Meghna, you are running for the office this year, and then wish you all the best. Any message for FIA on Republic Day?
Oh, thank you FIA for having me and thank you for organizing Republic Day celebration. This is always wonderful to see our Indian culture celebrating in a huge way. And happy Republic Day to everyone. Thank you FIA for doing a wonderful job. My name is Meghna Bansal from Naperville City Council candidate. April 1, 2025 is the election. Please don't forget to vote. Thank you.
We wish you all the best and we want to see you in office elected. And we are going to have a big celebration just like this one. And I was talking to Meghna Bansal and please vote for her. Thank you.
We have past president of FIA, Mr. Hitesh Gandhi ji. So please say something about the Republic Day celebration which FIA is doing today.
Yeah, sure. I mean, we have been doing this for last more than 15 years, and Sunilji covered almost everything. But I would like to add only one thing that today's event is going to be a record-breaking event for us because we have a full house. Today sold out. It's the first time we are doing it.
Wow.
We were doing good job, and all the time, we are giving back to community. That's what we are trying to do now. We have a membership is more than 300 people, and it's one of the largest non-profit organization in area. So today we have nicely lined up all those programs that include scholarship for intelligent and educated needy people, and we are celebrating with the Ghazal program. Along with that, we are celebrating the Republic Day of India 76. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We all are excited to be here to celebrate 76th Republic Day of India. The FIA is doing really great job with this. Thank you so much.
My pleasure to talk to my past president FIA, Vinita Gulabani ji. She is a big part of FIA events and as such has been doing a wonderful job. Vinita ji, please share your thoughts with us.
There's so much to say, so thoughts I can't share. I just want to wish all of you a very happy Republic Day and thank you to Stellar Media for bringing us here and asking us to give a message. So we are FIA, we are a family in America and we are all celebrating our very beautiful Independence Day today. If you are not there, come and join us. It's interesting. Bye.
थैंक यू सो मच विनीता जी. मेरे साथ है हमारे सेंसेशनल सिंगर क्विंसी चुट साहब और ये हमें गजल सुना के सेरेनेड करने वाले हैं अभी. सो वेलकम टू शिकागो क्विंसी.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here, seeing so many old faces. I've been in Chicago pretty much all my life. This is really an honor for me to come and celebrate the Independence Day with you all. It's just such a great evening.
So आज हमें कौन कौन सी गजल्स सुनने का मौका मिलेगा, जरा हम अपनी ऑडियंस को बता दें.
जी जरूर. आज तो बस हम इतने अच्छे पैकेज लेके आए. ये सारा अनु मल्होत्रा जी को जाता है क्रेडिट. उन्होंने हैंड पिक किया सारे जितने भी गीत गजलें हम गाएंगे. बस FIA का चॉइस है. ये सारे जो लोग चाह रहे हैं वही हम गाएंगे. बहुत सारे जगजीत जी के पुराने फिल्मी, रफी साहब, लता जी, बहुत सारे आपको सुनने को मिलेगा.
Thank you so much for thank you so much for joining our event and can you sing just 2 lines for us?
जी. किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है. किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है. कहाँ हो तुम के ये दिल बेकरार आज भी है. ओ किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है. मैं देश की बात कर रहा हूँ. किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है. It's very patriotically taken also.
Thank you so much क्विंसी. आपने इतना उम्दा गाया ये गाना. I can only imagine कि हमारे ऑडियंस का क्या हाल होगा जब वो सुनेंगे आपको लाइव हमारे रिपब्लिक डे में.
सब मिलके हम एंजॉय करेंगे और मैं यही प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि सबको अच्छा लगे आज और we'll go home very happy.
Thank you so much for talking to us. I am here with the sensational ghazal singer Quincy Chet Sahab, and he is going to perform at FIA's Republic Day event at Ashiana Banquets, and today is January 25th, and we are so delighted to have you. Thank you.
so much.
Thank you. I'm so excited. I have Payal Roy Ganguly with me, who's going to perform for us, and she is a seasoned singer and artist, and we know her and love her. She's part of FIA. How are you feeling, Payal, with this whole Republic Day celebration? What are we going to hear from you today?
See, firstly, it's such a privilege and honor to be a part of, this magnanimous celebration that FIA, my family of FIA is doing. I really thank all the volunteers, organizers for taking such measures of being so meticulous in preparing the whole show. Today, the focus of the event being a little different. It's a little, event which has a lot of gravity, and that's what we want to present today with a little bit of twist. So I'm just looking forward to the rest of the evening.
Thank you, Payal, and we are looking forward to hear lovely songs from you with Quincy Chet. Have you met him?
Oh yes, we did have our full session of rehearsal. As I said, the organizers under the leadership of Sunilji and Anuji, they are so particular and meticulous. So we are, as a team, prepared for the lovely evening today. Thanks.
Thank you, Payal. Thank you for talking to us. मेरे पास आज के बहुत ही बिजी इंसान बड़ी मुश्किल से हाथ आए हैं. नीलाब दुबे जी is the General Secretary FIA and has been working really hard for weeks. And maybe I should say months to make this event a grand success along with the entire team FIA. So Nilab, please share what is so special about today's Republic Day event.
A couple of things are very special about this. One, we are having our debut program by our new president elect. Now from today onwards she'll be called president. Her name is Manu Malhotra, and she has set it up everything. It's under her guidance that this program has been executed. It's so special because it's a Republic Day, and we are the first organization in the entire Chicago land to celebrate Republic Day ahead of others. Though it's just one day before, but it's already Republic Day in India. Today is 25th. So we are all excited, and we have excellent ghazal singers. And thanks to our Executive Vice President, Richa, who's also running a beautiful media company, a very famous media company in the entire USA. And she has been a great supporter of us, and she helped us a lot in getting the things streamlined, organized. So it is a good program, and we're making it better now. With the kind of crowd we have pulled in, about 430 people are here in the hall right now with us.
Wow, thank you so much, Nilab. You've been organizing, and you just, like you said, 430 people are in this hall.
Sold. Yes.
Tickets sold, and we have actually more number of people here. So approximately about 500.
500, we touched
500.
That's
so
right.
it's a grand success, and it's a grand success because of the dedicated volunteers of FIA family, including yourself, Nilab.
Thank you so much.
Kudos and congratulations, and I wish you all the best. And I wish our team, stupendous success in the near future, and all the best to Anu Malhotra ji for her beautiful.
And all this was possible because of excellent media, excellent promotion on all the social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, which is like in different parts of the world. It's still active. Our campaign, which was developed by Richa, the interviews that she took of different officials and our ghazal singer, the star performer tonight, that really helped us pull in the crowd. Instead of we pushing in and saying, come, they were the other way around. They came to us and said, we want to buy tickets and have fun.
Thank you so much, Nilab, for talking to us. And I know you're a busy guy today, and looking forward to an extraordinary event under your volunteering, leading, leadership, everything. So this is Richa with Nilab Dubey, and looking forward to a great Republic Day event. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you, Richa. Thank you so
तो
much.
आज हमारे साथ हैं मिस्टर सबरवाल, जो यू आर द डायरेक्टर ऑफ FIA. प्लीज बताएं, वी आर हियर टू सेलिब्रेट 76th रिपब्लिक डे ऑफ इंडिया, सेलिब्रेट बाय FIA. सो कुछ बताएं इसके बारे में.
We have been planning for this event for quite some time. We have worked so hard to celebrate the thing in a big way, and I think a lot of artists have come from far and near, and you will see some of the very big performances today. And I think we are the only association in the Chicagoland area who is celebrating this thing at this large scale. It is the 76th Republic Day, and we are having a full capacity. The hall is fully sold out. So
That's wonderful. That's wonderful to know.
Yeah, that is absolutely wonderful.
Just quick question I have. What are the various contributions of FIA to the society?
We did the coat and blanket drive last month, and we are also giving scholarships to the needy students, and then there will be more programs coming down the line. We are trying to help the needy people with whatever we can do.
Really good to know. Thank you so much for sharing this.
Congratulations, Krish. You are one of the recipients for FIA Scholarship Awards this year in 2025. How do you feel?
I feel really good. I actually didn't expect that I would be selected. I just thought let's just give it a shot, and 3-4 days ago I got a message that I've been selected, and it was a pretty awesome moment, and I'm just really grateful to FIA for it.
So what grade are you in?
I'm a sophomore in Stevenson High School.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Stevenson is number 1, number 2 in the entire country, and I know that all the kids work so hard. So congratulations, Krish. For Team FIA, any message?
Just for other kids, if you're planning to you're trying to find scholarship, and if you're an Indian student, definitely apply for FIA scholarship.
Thank you so much for talking to us. All the best to you, Krish. You are the future of India and America. So overall, FIA has given out 5 scholarship awards this year, amounting $1,000 per each, and it's just a way to give back to the community. And I'm Executive Vice President FIA, and I'm so honored to talk to our future leader, Krish. Thank you so much. Thank you.
आज हमारे साथ हैं सारा बंगाले, जो कि पब्लिक रिलेशन कमेटी की एग्जीक्यूटिव हैं, और हम यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं बहुत गर्मजोशी के साथ गणतंत्र दिवस सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. दैट इज 76th रिपब्लिक डे ऑफ इंडिया सेलिब्रेटेड बाय FIA. सो क्या कहना है आपका? व्हाट आर द वेरियस सेलिब्रेशंस हियर गोइंग ऑन फ्रॉम FIA?
It's really a different feeling for us as a Indian, that we are coming together from the different state of the people from India are united together to celebrate this beautiful event. We are really looking forward for such a wonderful evening tonight with everybody.
Good. And what are the various contributions of FIA to the society?
FIA is one of the best organization, I would say, throughout the USA, and it does lot of activities like coat drive, different kind of events which are the cultural events, and along with that today we are going to see people are going to get the scholarship, the kids are going to get the scholarship, which is a really innovative idea and really helping the community in a different way. So I really appreciate the efforts from the FIA to give such kind of opportunity. The person who is really need education and the money to do their further education, it's really good for them to give the scholarship. Yeah.
Wonderful. और हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं all over India there are so many states, और सभी लोग आए हुए हैं हर state से. So don't you think this is the best example of unity in diversity, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And same thought we all are carrying in our mind, and that's what we are here together for this event in these big numbers, right? Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and I would like to thank Outline Media for capturing this beautiful interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, we are so glad, we're so happy to be here today on the Republic Day and performing for the FIA, Federation of Indian Association. And it is amazing that every year when we do it, we have so much of, we feel so blissful about it, because I think it is something that connects with all our people, everyone in our community. And I think, hats off to the way it's organized, and we have a great time.
Thank you, Ali. And let's talk to Shirley as well.
Hi, I want to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I want to say a big thank you to FIA for bringing the culture to this country and, bringing it out to everybody, and through us, through arts, that we're able to spread the message of our country, and it's also getting the community together. So thank you in organizing. Thank you, Richa ji. Thank you, FIA, and everybody involved. Thank you.
And I should say thank you, Ellie, thank you, Shirley, and thank you, Shalza Dance Academy. They are a big part of our FIA events all the time. Yes.
And I think this is just the beginning. There's lots more to come, and we are so getting connected, and it's just the tip of the iceberg.
And I must say that, I always look forward to your dance performances. They always have that element of surprise, and they bring out so much excitement in audience. The students are amazing, and so are the choreographers. And
I think it's also a big thanks to all our students and all our parents. They work very hard. They support us so unconditionally, and I think that is what happens when they believe in us. And it's all about the team factor and the trust factor that brings all this. Thank you very much to FIA as well again.
Yes. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. So I am here with Fal Rana, the Fal Rana of Suhani Dance Academy. She is the owner and choreographer, and she's also part of FIA family.
Yes.
Welcome, Fal.
Thank you so much, Richa. It's always a pleasure to be with you here. And I've seen you do such wonderful job for all the other associations. And now you have your own stellar media. I'm so proud and excited. And today we are going to perform a beautiful dance, Des Rangila from Fana. And I've choreographed in such a way that you'll find every state representing India's states. So it'll be great.
Thank you so much, Fal. Your performance, Falguni Rana is her name, but we just call her Fal with love. And Falguni का बहुत ही अच्छा choreography होता है. Falguni ji has been, teaching dance to all the kids for 40 years, and we are looking forward to your dance performance.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Richa. I appreciate you interviewing me.
Thank you, Fal, for talking to us. Thank you. The beauties of FIA. The beauty queens are with me. So let me start with Priyanka, who is also holding an office. Priyanka, please tell me what do you think about the event today, and were the preparations easy for you guys?
I'm currently a joint cultural secretary, and preparations were easy and difficult. But our current president-elect, she made it very easy. It was very well planned. And we see this is a sold-out event, and we are looking forward towards this awesome event, which has beautiful ghazals and delectable food and beautiful guests.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, Priyanka, and thank you for being the joint cultural secretary and helping, with such a big event. It's not easy. So I have Ajanta Talukdar with me. Tina, tell us about today's event, and what do you think?
Hi, this is Ajanta Talukdar. I'm the Vice President of Membership FIA. So today we are celebrating Republic Day. So it's a very beautiful event. Almost like 300 people are here with us. Amazing crowd, and we are just starting the evening with the ghazal and many more cultural events coming up. And we have the best singer of the town. So, and good food. So, yeah, let's celebrate Republic Day. Thank you.
We have Khushbu Bansal with us as well. And Khushbu, quick thoughts.
Hi all, this is Khushbu. I'm a FIA member, and I'm very excited for today's Republic Day celebration with FIA family. More than 400 people are here, and we have a lot of dances and a lot of ghazal night and everything. And I'm too participating as part of the dance. Looking forward to it.
Oh, thank you, beautiful ladies. And I'm Executive Vice President FIA, and it's just a wonderful FIA family function along with the big Desi community in Chicago. I hope everybody has a great time. and stays warm. In this cold month of January, we are having our warm hearts together. Go FIA! Go FIA!
Thank you.
And I have even more beauties to talk. So FIA is filled with talent and beauty and lots of good things. Let me start with the owner of Amita Fashions, Kavita Rao. Welcome. Please share your thoughts about today's event.
Thank you so much, Richa. Again, wishing everyone a very, very happy Republic Day. Really very proud to be part of this event, and kudos to FIA for conducting such a wonderful event for all us Indians and making us feel really special.
Thank you, Kavita, for your special message. Swati, you are also here. Please share something about the event today.
Yeah. So thank you, Richa. Very excited to be a part of this event, and again, thanks to FIA for doing such a big event. So, and nothing else but happy Republic Day to everyone. Vande Mataram.
Thank you, Swati. And I have Sara with me too.
It's a great thing that we are from different state of India coming together here in USA to celebrate our Republic Day. And this is a special thing about FIA team, except that they make us all feel very comfortable, and that's what we are all here from the different languages, different culture, and but the same motto that the Happy Republic Day to all, and we are great to celebrate here in the large scale because of the FIA. So wishing everybody again the Happy Republic Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Sara. Wonderful message. You know, we are unity in diversity. We are all the states, Federation of Indian Association of, in America. We are, representing each and every state and culture. Let us talk to our friend and our FIA member, Mamta.
Hi, hello everyone. I wish you all a very, very happy Republic Day. I come from Delhi and I always miss every year the Republic Day celebrations, and FIA has made that happen here for all of us. So it's a great event, very well organized, and very, very well support from the state here. So I wish you all the women and everybody a part of the FIA and all the Indian community here a very, very happy Republic Day. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. And this is Team FIA wishing everybody a wonderful Republic Day. Go Team FIA.
Go FIA.